Okay guys, so you're welcome to the YouTube channel. So I took a trade on GBPJPY, as you can see, and TP has been hit. So I will just give you guys a brief explanation of what I saw and the reason to why I took these trades. Okay, so this is actually my last trade for the year 2024, and it's a good one, guys. As you can see, today is 31st of December. Okay, today is Tuesday, and this is my final trade for the year 2024. Okay, and it's a good one. It's a very good way to end the year. If it's your first time of coming through to my channel, you're welcome to Trinity FX Global. What I do basically is I just document my trades on this YouTube channel. I teach you guys whatever strategy I used to trade, and I show you how to apply it on your chart on a daily basis. So basically for now I trade mainly GBPJPY. Okay, so I trade smart money and I trade retail strategies also. Okay, so now on this particular trade, as you can see guys, I took a buy setup. Okay, I took a buy. This one here was the sell of yesterday. If you watch my previous trade video, you could see that we took this sell. Okay, so this was previous sell trade, but it actually dropped to this level. Okay, but we didn't take trade down to this particular level. Our TP was here and it was it. That's for our previous trade. But for today I took on this buy. Now what did I see before I took on the buy? Now this is it. Let me shrink my chart a little bit so you can see clearly. As you can see right here, let me show you guys something. We had structure being taken out from the lower side of my chart to the higher side. Let me just show you from here. So we had a break of structure, market pulled down, okay, and broke structure to the upside again, as you can see, and we traced down to this new support, and we had a pull back to the upside again, and we had a double top and a retracement to the downside. Now this second retest here was the buy setup that I took. Now let me explain something to you guys. I didn't just enter for a buy immediately price got to this support zone. You see this support zone right here. I didn't just enter for a buy immediately. Now let me explain something to you guys. After you must have spot out your point of interest. Now in this my particular trade here, right here, this zone you see right here that I spotted out was my point of interest. Okay, as you can see, I took a buy here first, and when price actually came to retest it again, I was planning to take a buy. Now when price came to that level, I did not just enter for a buy. Okay, let me show you guys something. Let me zoom in so you can see clearly. So right here, this is what you do when you want to take a trade for a retest, a break and retest. What you do most times is, can you see the momentum to which price was dropping to the downside? Yeah, the way price was dropping. So when price got here, from this first bearish candle that tapped into my zone, I was waiting for what? For the momentum to slow down. Okay, so you don't just rush to take trades from the first candle that tap into your zone, especially when the bearish momentum is very, very heavy. You're getting the point. That's where most people make mistake. You just see price coming to your point of interest and you just enter for a buy immediately. Most times price will do what? Break through your zone, and it will just violate you and continue to the downside. So what you should do is, when you want to take a reversal trade and you see price attempting to touch your point of interest, wait to see momentum slow down. When I mean momentum slow down, I want to see market range a little bit in my point of interest to tell me that price is really ready to reverse to the upside. Now can you see, let me zoom in, can you see what happened here? Now look at all of these candles. So the first bearish candle came, tapped into my zone, I did not do anything. The second candle came, sorry guys, the second candle came, sorry for the noises at the background, please just ignore them. So the second candle came. This was the first candle that came, touched. I didn't do anything. I was waiting to see more confirmation. Second excuse me guys, second candle came, tapped into it, I still did nothing. Then I had a bullish candle, a second bullish candle, and this pin bar that you see right here. When I saw this pin bar, I was now shocked. Can you see the wicks under this particular pin bar? This candlestick formation that you see printed on my support zone, which is this area here, showed me that price was ready to reverse to the upside. That was when I entered my trade worth for a buy at this support level, and my SL was here. Now let me show you guys what I was actually risking. in this particular trade, if you notice, I opened two positions. The first position, I was just risking 25 pips, as you can see right here. I was just risking 25 pips, and I was targeting 110 pips, which is already hit. Now TP has already hit it, and it's still going to the upside above 110 pips. So excuse me guys. So that was my first entry, and the price began to go in my direction. Now watch guys, I had a second entry. So when price moved into my direction, as you can see right here, a fair value gap formed. A fair value gap was formed. Now this thing you see right here that labeled this fair value gap is actually an indicator. Let me show you guys the indicator. You can add it to your chart. Okay, fair FVG indicator. If you search it on TradingView, you would see it and just apply it. It's going to be spotting out fair value gaps for you to make it easy for you to spot out. Okay, I can still spot it out manually, but I just love the way it brings it out for me easily. So when I saw that a fair value gap was formed, now your fair value gap in the direction of your trend is another way to which you can enter for a second entry. Okay, so when I saw the fair value gap was formed, I waited for price to retrace back into the fair value gap. That was when I now entered for a second entry, as you can see. So can you see how price came to touch the fair value gap immediately and began to retrace to the upside before taking us out on TP, as you can see right here. So these were the two trades that I took, and the trade is already doing well. I'm going to close it live now for you to see, because I'm here to close the trade. Let me show you my MT5. So I'm sure that this explanation explains to you, and makes you understand why I took the trade. Now as you can see, the reason to which why I put my TP here is because of this resistance that might just likely hold. Okay, it might still break and continue to the upside, but we are okay with what we have here. Remember, my first entry was targeting 110 pips, and my second entry was just targeting 64 pips. So my second entry, I was just risking the same 25 pips again, and I was targeting 64 pips. So if you combine the two together, I got 110 pips plus 64 pips. That is about 174 or 75 pips. That's what I got in this particular trade. Now let me show you my MT5. This is my MT5, just to prove to you guys that I actually took the trade. As you can see right here, this is our live account on FBS. As you can see, it's a real account, and this is the trade right here, GBPJPY. As you can see guys, this is the trade. Okay, so this right here was my first entry. Let me show you guys. This right here was my first entry, as I showed you on chart, and this level right here was the second entry. Okay, so that's it, just to prove to you guys that I actually took the trade. So I'm going to be closing it now for you to see on live chat. Okay, let me close it. Okay, we are closing up positions right now. So we have closed trading for the year 2024. Okay, so if you sort of like content like this guys, please do what to smash the like button. Okay, do what to smash the like button. If you're here to subscribe, please guys, I give you guys value on this YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe button, and it promises to be an amazing year 2025. So ending the year with a winning trade feels good, and I know you really want to see more of this. So let's trade together in the year 2025, and it's going to be a good one. I'll be posting all of my trades right on this YouTube channel, and when it's due time for me to open a Telegram channel, I will do how to do that. If you love me to open a Telegram channel, so where I can post my setups for you guys to join me and enter at entry level, please do what to signify in the comment section. If you want me to open a Telegram channel so that I can drop setups like this, so you can follow me and trade the way I trade, please do what to comment in the comment section, and I will consider opening a Telegram channel where we can all share ideas, and you get my trade setups from entry level to where price would hit TP or hit SL, as the case may be. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you guys in 2025. Happy New Year in advance, and more profits and more consistency in the markets. Take care guys. Bye.